Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll share with you one of our favorite recipes, sourdough in a loaf pan. First, gather your ingredients. A lively sourdough starter, high-quality flour, water, salt, and a pinch of sugar. In a large bowl, combine the starter with water, then gradually mix in the flour until a shaggy dough forms. Sprinkle in the salt and sugar, and knead gently on a floured surface until the dough becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a damp cloth, and let it undergo bulk fermentation for 4 to 6 hours until doubled in size. After fermentation, transfer the dough to a greased loaf pan, shaping it evenly for uniform baking. Cover and allow a final proof for 1 to 2 hours until it puffs slightly. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees, 230 degrees, and bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the crust turns golden and sounds hollow when tapped. Remove the loaf from the pan and cool it on a rack. Enjoy the delicious aroma and texture of your homemade sourdough. If you love this guide, please hit the like button, subscribe for more recipes, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy baking, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us again for more exciting culinary adventures.